coming down from there?
I'm not ready.
So when do you think you will be ready?
When all the nasty boys are gone.
Well, that's never going to happen, so you may as well get used to it.
I could be a lesbian.
But you're not, are you? Speak properly, it's unnerving.
Do you think it was because of it?
Losing the baby? Some men can't cope with these things, but if he said it wasn't, I believe him.
Will I ever meet someone who doesn't leave me?
Of course you will, love. When you were small, you used to let the boys chase you all around here, but you never let them catch you unless you wanted them to.
Mother!
And you were the only one strong enough to get across those monkey bars.
I did want it, you know.
Of course you did. Sometimes it's just not the right time.
He said he did too, but I'm not sure I believe him now. You know, I was thinking about names the other day. Isn't that silly? Did you not want another?
Didn't plan on having you.
Hey!
Well, I never told you this, but I had a baby before you. Another girl.
What? How have I not been told this? Does Dad know? But she died.
No.
Hold on a minute. You mean I've got a sister?
Somewhere.
You mean you don't know where she is?
That was part of the agreement. I was only 16. Things were different back then.
She's out there. Now.
I guess she is.
Mother, I'm so sorry.
So am I, love. So am I.